I'm going to be on Voice America today with Margo Neilsen, and we're going to be chatting about hypnosis and hypnotherapy and how using this simple tool can change anything in your life that's not working for you. There are so many preconceived notions about hypnosis. What is hypnosis? You can't hypnotize me. I get that all the time. You can't hypnotize me. I have so much resistance. I have this problem. Can hypnosis help me? What else? I will also be discussing and sharing with Margo during a conversation about the various different aspects where hypnosis can help. Primarily, I help people, business owners, entrepreneurs who struggle with substance abuse and addictions. So anywhere from snorting cocaine to too much alcohol, smoking pot, to other addictions. Of course, food. Food is a big one. To other addictions, to gambling, even people who struggle with any other area in their life. So do join us, and I will be giving 2 gifts. So again, it's noon Pacific today, Monday, August the 13th at noon Pacific, Voice America with Margo Neilsen. Well, enjoy a beautiful day, and I really look forward to seeing you on the call. And in the meantime, do visit my website, thepowerwithin.ca, and download a free audio meditation. Many people tell me it helps them sleep peacefully through the night. Well, there's one of my gifts. Go ahead.